بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. The best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved. If you can dream it, you can do it. People change. Now I am a lamp. You may not be able to change the current situation, but you can still try your best. Privacy is power. What people don't know, they can't ruin. One can be master of what one does, but never of what one feels. If there is no way, create one. If you can get yourself where you are not afraid of dying, then you can move forward a lot faster. Genuine people are rare. If you can't find one, be one. There's no easy way to be free. Whatever you are, be a good one. You never fail until you stop trying. If it doesn't challenge you, it would not change you. Change your mind, change your life. You can't change what you did before, but you can change what you do next. If you can't change the situation, you can change the way you think about it. Change your thoughts, and you can change your world. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share and subscribe my channel.